Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. To the new subscribers, karibuni sana, and please subscribe to my channel. To the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting me. So as you can see, I'm from the market. I went to get some grocery shopping because I had none left. I cleared everything last weekend before we went home. We went to the village last week. So I cleared everything in the fridge. As you can see, it's empty. I've cleaned it already because I want to wash everything, then put it in the fridge. So this is everything that I got from the market. Hope you can see. So the first things I got were these bananas. Hope you can see them. They look so nice. I want to make some juice tomorrow. Then these potatoes, they are going for 200. This garlic was going for 20 Kenyan shillings, yeah. Then some apples. Then this was going for 100 bob. They are quite big. 100 bob. Then these green bananas, one was going for 10 Kenyan shillings. And these carrots, these are going for 50 shillings, all these. And they are big actually. Let me show you one. They're so big. Then this was going for 10, one for 10, but I bought 4 for 30 Kenyan shillings. Yeah, 4 for 30. Then this was going for 200, all these, and they are big actually. And this one was going for 20. Yeah. Then some avocados. They look so cute. I got a lot. I want to make some juice. Then some minji and some mint. Actually, I got some yellow beans. I don't know where I kept them. Yeah, yellow beans. Then some melon and pineapple. They are fresh. So I want to quickly wash these, then put them away in the fridge. I've already washed, cleaned the fridge. So I'll first clear these, then unpack the other things from the supermarket before I put these away in the fridge. So let me first put this away to create some space over here. So the other things I got were these Pampers baby diapers. Some Indomie, the 5 pack. Some beef cubes. Yogurt. And this Santo juices for the baby. Okay. this Vaseline, some Downy, the brown one, this body scrubber, a sponge, this was going for 110 Kenyan shillings. This carbon, I like it. I love the color yellow because of camber. I'll be using this maybe to do what? To measure maybe some few things when I'm baking. This kind of jug. This liver. I got this gel for myself and this treatment. And I got these cute baskets. They were going for 200 Kenyan shillings. I don't know what I use them for, but I love them. They're so cute. I can maybe use one for my kitchen towels and the other one for the toiletries. I like them. They are big enough. Yeah. The blue band. This is half kg, yeah. Some pilau masala. Sunrise. I got 2 kg. Some kahawa, the dormants. Toothbrush. Actually, I get the Colgate ones, but they were not on stock, so I got this. I got some milk. Some salt. Some more juices. And this ajab or Papa's Club. Some mango juice. And some strawberry yogurt. With more milk. Then this Santa Maria tomato paste. I got one because I got a lot of tomatoes. Some lemon. One was going for 10 shillings. Lucozade. Some Coke. Sugar. This is 2 kg. Some mala. Don't know what happened here. mala imemwagikia unga. So some green grams, I might use that. These 2 chocolates. Sweet. Some meat. I want to make pilau. Vitamix, the original one. I don't know what's happening with their packaging. Some ice cream. And some festive bread. I didn't get cooking oil because I have some left from last month. So this is everything that I got. So let me clear this because I want to wash the things from the market and arrange them in the fridge. So yeah, I wipe this before I put them in the fridge. So yeah. Maybe I can use these storage baskets to keep this. Maybe this and these ones. Actually, they are big enough. I think. But I'll first wash these before I use them. So I'm going to use vinegar to wash everything here. White vinegar. Constant. So guys, what you use to wash your fruits and veggies. I'll start with the avocados, the lemons, and the bell peppers. Sometimes I leave them for some few minutes here in the water, but today I just wash them. Then I'll first wash the tomatoes with this water, then I'll use another water to rinse them because they are dusty actually. So ignore the sound, it's my pressure cooker. I'm boiling the meat that I'm making dinner today. The tomatoes are quite big. So guys, do store the tomatoes in the fridge. Let me know in the comment section. I wash the tomatoes before I put them in the fridge. So I use a clean kitchen towel to wipe everything, then I keep them in the fridge. So let me start by wiping the tomatoes. So this is how I store my carrots. I'll also wipe this before I put them where the tomatoes are. Yeah. And for this, I'll pre-boil them, then put them in the freezer. because I won't be using them soon. So I'll just boil everything before actually I go to sleep, because they're green. So hazitachukua time nyingi kuchemka, so I'll put them there. So before I finish to make dinner, they'll be ready. Then I'll put them in the freezer. And as for the bananas, I don't keep them in the fridge. I just wash them and put them in the rack where I put my potatoes. So yeah, and then for this I'll transfer it in a different container. Then I put it in the freezer because I'm not cooking it today. So yeah, I'll first boil this, then I'll show you how the whole flip turns out. So yeah. So finally I'm done. So let me show you how I arranged my fridge. Let me turn the camera. I decided to put the bananas there because zinakaa kuharibika. So I'll be boiling some cereals tomorrow, because you can see the freezer is almost empty. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video till the end. Make sure you like and leave a comment, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.